Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a uh, unbox review, and we're going to run this newly installed Oleo Acres 2x72 belt grinder modification kit for the Grizzly or Shop Fox. Mine is a Shop Fox. I have a 10-inch contact. Grizzly has an 8-inch. This thing has plenty of adjustment back and forth. You can tilt it. You can tilt your work rest. And then I'll give you just a quick overview once towards the end of the video, kind of how it runs. But let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like when you unbox this modification kit from Oleo Acres for the Grizzly or Shop Fox 2x72 belt grinder. So this is the modification to the actual machines. So you take off the current shaft, take off the 10-inch or 8-inch wheel, take off the shaft. This goes on there. This piece goes in here. Then you make your adjustments, and then you attach your Grizzly or your Shop Fox upper pulley up here. And this piece will attach to that, and you have your adjustment. And these are some of the braces that come with it. This is your frame for your two wheels, and then your platen. This is your actual platen. Another brace. And then this is your work rest. So your platen and your belt will go here, your work rest. These are the upper and lower wheels. A really nice and organized kit. Has all your bolts, washers, and everything separated. The instructions. They were nice enough to give me 2 lollipops with my package and a 50th anniversary tape measure. So looking at the kit, it looks really robust, looks really nice. There are some little bit of rough edges, like right here. This looks like this is probably water jetted out, and that was the start and stop. It's on that on almost all the parts. Not a big deal. Do have one concern. So a lot of this stuff is TIG welded right here, and then these brackets are all TIG welded. There's not a lot of penetration, or there's not any penetration that I can see on the inside, and there's no welded support in here. So I don't think that it'll have enough weight or pressure to break it loose. I mean, if it does, I can TIG weld. I would have liked to have seen, for the cost of the kit, maybe some more welding in here just to kind of really secure this. But yeah, it's not too bad. The instructions seem to be pretty easy if you can read a blueprint. It gives you parts list for the hardware, and then how to build your riser and your receiver. Pretty simple, basic blueprint. How to build your platen, and then how to attach your work rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it in here and then take it out to my shop. I'll do another segment and pull apart my Shop Fox and then start putting this on. I'm not going to go too into depth into putting this together because they do have videos on how to do it, but I want to do just a little bit of overview and product review, kind of my thoughts, and then show you guys how it works and how well it works. All right, y'all, so this is the conversion kit put together. As you can see, I got a work table installed, platen, both wheels. Everything has been modified. One tricky part is to align the top wheel and the bottom wheel. So you have to loosen this up, pull this wheel out, get a straight edge to here to here, and then once you get this lined up, the rest of this pretty much kind of falls together. And this is what it looks like from the side, underneath. So this is all adjustable. You can turn it at an angle. This is also adjustable. You can tilt it, and then you can still use your 8-inch or your 10-inch contact. You can still use this top wheel, and then you have two wheels if you take this off. The main reason that I wanted this, or I needed this, is I needed something more steady that I could cut more precise grinds with and get it flatter. I mean, this old platen is just terrible. I mean, I've used a lot of knives and it's not quite straight. And this was the work table, and it was always coming loose, and just gave me just an inconsistent product. So I wanted something more consistent, that I could be a little bit more precise. This setup right here, I bought this grinder about 4 years ago, I think beginning of 21. And it was roughly 700-ish. Now I think this is going for probably close to 8 or 9. It's a 1 horsepower. And then this conversion kit, you can get it for about 400. Took me about 30-40 minutes to put together, and maybe another 30 or 40 minutes to modify and take it all apart. You do got to take off the top shroud. Won't work with it. But overall, it works pretty nice. I'll turn it on. So pretty nice. I will do a demo for you guys in just a second. Well, so far, guys, I am pretty happy, and I think this Oleo conversion kit is definitely worth getting if you don't want to spend $2,000 or $3,000 on a 20 or 220 volt sander. This is a good option. You could probably have this for under 1,200, 1,300 ish. And I'll do another review once I use it on a couple knives I got coming up, and I'll let you guys know what I think after a couple uses. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.